To make your own eye-catching 3D illusion Easter design for laser engraving? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to create a stunning 3D illusion Easter design using Luma-Loft, perfect for your next laser project. Let's dive in. Start by opening your Tools menu and finding the image generator. This is where your custom Easter artwork begins. Now, click on the prompt field and type in a creative description for your Easter design. Your words will help guide the AI to generate a base image that fits your vision. In this example, we wrote, ultra-realistic front-facing head of Jesus with crown of thorns, on a white background. Once that's in, expand the advanced settings. Choose the suitable aspect ratio for your project. In this example, we chose square 1:1. After fine-tuning these settings, let's try Nano Banana model to generate your artwork, then download your finished file to save it for the next steps. For even more options, try the Luma and Seedream models to see different visual styles. Compare them and pick your favorite for your project. Once you have your image, send it into the Style Transformer tool. And scroll down to pick a style that suits your project. In this example, we chose circular wood medallion style to transform your image for that perfect 3D effect. To begin transforming, open the advanced settings, then enable the convert to grayscale toggle for a more consistent result, and click transform. Review your transformed image using the sliders to compare before and after. If you're satisfied with the result, send it directly to the laser engraving prep tool. In the laser prep tool, click Apply Crop. Hit Remove the background. Double-check the removal and apply those changes to lock in your design layout. Click Fit to Content for perfect cropping, then apply crop. Set the exact width you'll need for the engraving process. Enter custom width and height. Switch off lock aspect ratio to set your image's precise size for the engraver. Next step. Select the material preset that matches the medium you're working with. In this example, we picked the Luma balance setting for optimal engraving exposure. Ready to dial in the details? Fine-tune the image by adjusting contrast, gamma, sharpness, and brightness. Keep tweaking until you see the clearest engraving preview. For crisp details, adjust the black point, midtones, and gamma controls. These steps make sure your engravings pop with clarity. Next, if you are not using Lightburn for engraving, open the algorithm. Select the grayscale mode for smooth, continuous tones that work best with laser cutters. Onward. Click Next. Export, then click Process to prepare your image for export. Download your SVG cut line for laser cutting. To finish up, grab your final PNG download. Congrats! You've designed a 3D illusion Easter masterpiece ready for laser engraving. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hands-on creative projects.